Keep watching to see how I got this look using only Dollar Tree products and Five Below products. What's up, strangers? Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys a little bit of a skincare routine and a cheap makeup look using Dollar Tree products and Five Below products. Got my Red Bull. I got this from Five Below. It's just a little headband. This is by Personal Care. It's tea tree oil that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is what it looks like. There you go. I love tea tree oil. I hope this is what my blemish is. I did wash my face already. I will do a different video on that one. Oh, it smells so good. Then I go in with this Clinics by Spa Scriptions Glowing Facial Oil, Youthful Glow. It says rich and exotic, and I know because I cannot read. Let's not try that ever again. Put some of that on. And this is all from the Dollar Tree so far. This one I got from Dollar Tree, and this is called Snail Mucin Moisturizer by Global Beauty Care. I think it's focusing, yeah. And I really love this stuff. It's actually a good primer too for makeup. And the makeup I'm using is cheap from the Dollar Tree. And no, I'm not suggesting you go out and use cheap products because everyone's skin is different. This is just what I use. And none of this is sponsored, but if the Dollar Tree or Five Below wants to sponsor me, then awesome. Oh, I forgot. I got these vitamin C brightening jelly eye masks, and that's what they look like. They're like little jelly little thingies. They're kind of like they're kind of gross. I'm gonna put that. Wait. I always get this mixed up. I don't know which way they ever go. Ow, ow, don't go in my eye, buddy. You stay, there we go. It kind of stings, but it feels good. It feels so good. And leave a comment below and let me know if I'm actually applying these the right way. You guys, that does not show me. Because you see how there's a point here? It looks like literal sperm. Well, not cum, but like the little sperm, like a little tadpole. I already curled my lashes. I literally have no lashes. I don't know if you can tell. We got Spock over here, and we got Spock's cousin that's barely there. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows because fuck it. I have this little thing. I didn't get this from the Dollar Tree. I actually have had this since I was like in 8th grade. My mom gave me like a little, I think it was like a Clinique. I think it was Clinique. A little tiny Clinique palette thing, and I miss it. It was my favorite thing ever. And I just kept this, and I've had it forever. And now I usually use eyeshadow to do my eyebrows. Where is the, See, you know what? I'll be back when I'm more prepared. Okay, I gotta find my actual little eyeshadow palette that I've been using because I kind of just cleaned up and organized everything the other day. I bet I found this. I don't know who it's by. It just says eyeshadow palette, smoky browns, and I got this. Ooh, that was really loud in my face. I got this at the Dollar Tree. This is really gross, don't judge me. Got a little bit of spit, a little bit of saliva. I'm just gonna do my brows and come back and show you guys the rest of this weird makeup tutorial. So this is my brows now. I do have a little bit of alopecia. That's why I'm kind of bald. I'll come back in a second when my eyebrows are done. Okay guys, I just got done with my eyebrows. Yeah, whatever, trust the process. While doing this, I was thinking about how I might possibly get comments about saying that I'm faking the products that I'm using and they're not Dollar Tree because I'm not showing you guys me applying it like I didn't show you guys me applying these brows. So instead, I'm going to be filming all of the whole process and just fast forwarding through some of the stuff while I watch this Zane and Heath podcast over here. So I did my eyebrows. Now I am gonna go in with some concealer, and I got this concealer. It's by Yanni, and this is a brand that I always like. I will rant and rave about forever. I love it. They make lashes. They make everything. See that? Focus. And it's kind of dirty. Sorry, but it's camouflage liquid concealer and Cool Light. Gotta get another one because it's almost done. The brush is all messed up, but it doesn't matter. Oh wait, before we do anything, before we do that, There's a whole bunch of primers that I use. Since we're doing Iani, I'll do the matte primer by Iani. This is what it looks like. And it is kind of like a skin tone-ish color. Yeah, so let's put that on the forehead because I want the concealer to stick. And then put on my eyelid. If you guys want me to show you any type of eye looks using Dollar Tree products or even any type of product, I mean, I don't have like major expensive stuff, but I have like hand-me-down makeup. And it's possibly really old and I probably shouldn't be fucking wearing it right now or ever, and I should probably throw it out, but you know, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Okay? Okay, as I put this concealer on, I am going to be playing my Zayn and Heat. I applied the concealer to shape the brows. Now, I'm going to take these things off. Feels so good. Now I take tape. I have done videos talking about this before, but I am allergic to a lot of tape, hospital tape especially, like Scotch tape I am allergic to. I don't know why, but electrical tape for some reason does not cause a lot of irritation. This is gonna look crazy. I'm gonna put this and I kind of align it with the tip of my brow and then to here. Go up like that. And I do this before I apply my foundation just because sometimes the fallout, there's some fallout over here that I have to wipe away, and it just wouldn't make sense if I had foundation on underneath that, so I just wipe the foundation away. I'm just gonna use this palette for the rest of, do a basic brown look. I'm gonna just use this in the corner, middle, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I'm not a makeup artist, okay? Just whatever. I want to be invited to Coachella next year. I'm very mad that I get to go to Coachella. I've never been to Coachella, but like, I mean, I'm at that age now that I can barely even walk across the street without losing my breath. So I don't know if I'll be able to survive Coachella, but hey, if I die in the fucking desert, that's fine. As long as Sabrina Carpenter, Justin Bieber, or somebody is playing in the background. Now, I have a lot of brushes and I don't really necessarily know what brushes I use. I use like angle brushes like this to kind of go right here, and then yeah, I don't know. Let's continue this eye look. That is what I have. And close the eyes up. See, that's why I always gotta make mistakes, is the creases. I'll fill the creases in. There we go. Okay. Nope, 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 nope. I got this from Dollar Tree. It's by True Beauty. It's called Summer Vibes. I got it last summer, so this is what it looks like. And it's actually really, really cute. I'm gonna go in with the Mai Tai and go in right in my finger. Oh, this is my most common look that I do. My favorite look, the easiest one that I can usually do this and get it done really quickly. I'm actually just taking my time today. That's what that looks like. I'm gonna fix my brow. Okay, so now we gotta clean up all of this. Now I go in with these little wipies. I don't know, this one is a Night Bear Before Christmas Facial Cleansing Wipes Cherry Blossom by Disney, I guess. I don't know, but I got them from the Dollar Tree. And they smell really good. I'm gonna kind of clean up under here. Okay, clean the tips off, and then I kind of just usually brush that out. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm just doing it. I don't like how this is darker. There we go. now I'm gonna go in with some lashes. Now I have a pair of these already in here that I'm not gonna open these one right now, but these are the Ioni Black Wispy Lashes. And they come with a whole bunch of different ones, but I am going to go ahead and apply these beauties and I will be right back. So these are them right here, and they are the same ones from here, just in case you guys don't believe me. But my camera's gonna die soon, so I'll be back. Okay guys, I applied the lashes. I did use some lash glue. It's also by Ioni. It's called Everlasting Lash Glue, and it's in black. So I kind of use that as a liner. Can you focus? There we go, that's what it looks like. So now I am gonna go in with that primer again, this matte primer that I went in with last time. And let me tell you guys, this stuff, I don't know if it's a dupe for anything, but my makeup be sticking all night and all day with this. Another one that I like to use is this Gel Grip Face Primer by Be Pure, and it has hyaluronic acid in it, and this one works really well too. I'm almost out of this, so that's why I'm not using it right now. I usually use that for if I go to the bars or if I'm gonna be out and it's gonna be hot out. That usually keeps it on with this. So now I gotta go and wet my beauty blender real quick. Okay, I gotta hurry. My camera's gonna die, and on camera it's a little bit more brighter in here. I have a really bright light on me. These don't look like my skin tone. They're by Be Pure Glow Up Contour with hyaluronic acid and fair medium, and I mix this with concealer. I gotta get more. Okay. I have another one. Is this one empty too? I guess I gotta have to make another trip to the Dollar Tree, you guys. Okay, whatever. Let's just... I'm gonna do this side real quick and show you guys the difference. Yeah, whatever. And then I'm gonna do the other side off camera just so I can save battery, and then continue with the lips. And then I go in with, it's also the same contour, but it's in medium dark. And of course, my nose, I gotta contour my nose. Okay, I'm gonna finish up here. There's that side. There's this side. I kind of have like bags in my eyes. I didn't see very well last night, so. Okay, I'll be back. Oh wait, I gotta try this lip stain real quick before I finish the rest of my face. I forgot to put that on before. It's like super red and it gets into your teeth sometimes, but it's okay. It doesn't stain your teeth for long. I have to take it off right away. Okay. I'm gonna leave that on while I finish the rest of my contour. Okay, I just finished putting on the rest of my foundation, and now I gotta take this off. Oh yeah, that really stains. And on my teeth. I'm gonna go with some concealer around here. Okay, now I'm gonna go on with this powder. It's by Prolux Cosmetics Setting Powder. I got it from the Dollar Tree as well. And I don't put too much on just because it kind of has like a reflectant in the light if you put too much on. Take a picture with flashlighting. It look like you have cocaine all over your face. And then I'm gonna take one of these, and then I got this from Five Below, and it's by Nicole Miller, New York, and it's called Truth or Bear. I go in with this right here. I don't know which one that is. Why does that look really bad on the camera? I think it's just the lighting right now. And then I got this by Yanni. It's the setting mist and it's in green apple and it's really nice. And I like the spray. This is what it looks like. And this stuff really works as well. And it's mattifying. Okie dokie. Ew. Just got my hair wet. And I got tape in my hair. What? Why am I always a mess? Freaking walking mess. Okay. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Oh, and then I have this, I don't know, but I got this from Five Below and it's like a lip plumper. Thank you guys for watching. That's how I do my makeup using cheap Dollar Tree and Five Below products. And this is the final result. Look, da da da.